Hi Beauty Smarties, it's Maria. Today we are going to be creating a super soft and wearable cut crease that you can wear to any occasion. Now what is a cut crease, you might ask? Well, it's actually contouring but for the eyes. I'm not gonna lie, it's taken me quite some time to kind of master the cut crease, but I feel like I kind of have it down. But before we get started, make sure to smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to 17's YouTube channel and hit the like button on this video. All right, let's get right into it. To create the perfect soft cut crease, you'll need an eyeshadow primer, a palette with a warm neutral, a light peach, and a dark brown. I'm also going to use a single champagne shimmer, an eyeliner, mascara, and 3 eyeshadow brushes, including a crease brush, a flat shader brush, and a pointed detailed brush. To make sure this look withstands the test of time, I'm going to just dot a little bit of primer on each lid. With a clean finger, I'm going to blend it all over. To create an even canvas for the rest of the eyeshadows, I like to first lay down a layer of a light neutral shade over the primer using a flat shader brush. A traditional sponge shadow applicator could also work for this step if that's all you have. Now we can start building the color in the crease. To find where your crease is, you can gently feel for your brow bone. Where you feel the brow bone meet your eye is usually the best place to lay down your crease color. I'm using a peach to first add a subtle touch of color. Using small windshield wiper motions with the crease brush, you can start building the crease color. You want to make sure to keep the color just above where the eyelid folds. It's okay if you have to keep your eyes open to check your work. Next, I'm going to place a brown color right over the peach shadow with a light hand so it's not too intense. With a cut crease, you just want to lightly build the colors and make them darker if you have to. This step will also help in contouring and creating the illusion of a deep crease. The key with the crease is to blend out as best as you can using the repeated back and forth motions. You can also make tiny circles to blend. To bring back the neutral lid color, I'm going to use the first shade and really carve out the lid shape this time underneath the crease color. Using the same neutral shade, I'm going to clean up the area underneath the eyebrow. This eyeshadow placement is also a great way to blend out the crease color by creating a super smooth transition. The trick to a good cut crease is all about product layering, which is why I'm going to build the crease color a little bit more. Using a pointed, detailed brush and the same brown shadow, I define the crease more precisely. This time, the lid color is strategically used to create more of a defined contrast between the light and darker shades in this eyeshadow look. Now we can focus on adding the final touches. With the flat shader brush, I like to pack a highlight shade on my brow bone. This will help enhance the brow bone and give it a more lifted look. I like to take that brown shade we used in the crease and kind of use it to smoke out the lower lash line as well with my detailed brush. As a personal touch, I do like to add a little bit of eyeliner. My preference is a winged liner and a regular pencil to just tight line. And since the trick to this look is really blending out that crease color so it looks super soft, I usually like to go back in with the crease brush to blend it out. Next, I'll add some coats of mascara to make this look more dramatic. And that's it, guys. This look is completed. It reminds me so much of Lana Del Rey and Adele, who happen to be 2 of my favorite artists. I am obsessed with this look. All right, guys, that was it. I told you it wasn't that hard, and trust me, practice makes perfect. If you have any questions, make sure to drop them in the comment section down below because I will make sure to get back to you on those. And again, make sure to subscribe to 17's YouTube channel by smashing that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you Beauty Smarties on the next one. Bye!